everybody, welcome back to Vibey Feast, where we like to vibe and feast. And today I'm so excited because we got some of my favorite. We got a New York strip steak without the bone. I got some grilled shrimps, like Cajun style on the grilled shrimp. And then we got some potato slices, like sliced in like a little thicker than chip size. Like a surf and turf kind of deal. And oh my God, I'm so excited. We've been letting it rest. You know, when you cook a steak, you gotta let it rest. And I feel like that's the hardest process in cooking a steak, is having to wait for it. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Grab some steak sauce. Oh, also on the top, I got some sauteed mushrooms. I'm a fan of that for sure. All right, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit on top. Just a little bit. Yes. And also, this is a secret I'm gonna share with y'all. But when you guys cook steak, like seared, like pan seared or whatever, and then you do the butter bath and all that, don't put pepper in before you cook it. Always leave that at the end. Freshly grated pepper just gives it that much of a better taste. Try it. You can't knock it until you try it. And we'll add some Tabasco. Oh yeah, love me some Tabasco. You know, we'll garnish these shrimps up with some Tabasco. Yeah. I don't even know where to start. Let's see. All right, this one's kind of the fat. Let's just get right into the beef. This one has a little more fattening in it, but that's okay. Let's get some of these. I inhaled again on my oyster video. So bomb. You guys can see that. I didn't cook with my meat thermometer, so I just winged it. I love me potatoes too. See if you guys can see that. I brought the water to a rolling boil. Left them in there for 5 minutes. And on my long cooker, just pretty much just seared them. Have that Coke. Kind of have it propped up on a cardboard little box I have. Oh, yeah. Grilled shrimp. I almost got that in my eye. The shrimp was just grilled perfectly. Let's see. Now I can cut it to show you guys. Some of you guys might be mad at the result. But I don't know, I like steak however it's cooked. I like it medium, all the way up until it's well done. And I let it rest for about close to 10 minutes. It was like 8 minutes. Still very juicy. For all my folks that like their steak on the more done side. Like I said, I don't discriminate. The mushrooms are perfect addition. And they catch so much flavor because I throw them in the same pan that I cooked the steak. So in there I had thyme, I had rosemary, garlic, butter. So it was all kind of infused already when you throw in the mushrooms. Oh, they just soak up all that flavor. I better slow down. I tend to do that. I tend to eat really fast. And then I get like all full like so quickly. How was everyone's weekend? Anything exciting happen? What did we do this weekend? Oh yeah, we went to my coworker's daughter's birthday. And yeah, that shit was lit. She turned 8 years old. But he really outdid himself. Like they had it all bomb. They had like the catered taco lady there. Ooh, excuse me. They even had menudo, pozole. And it was the best pozole I've ever had. Whoever cooked that really knew how to like make pozole. And they had the DJ going. Mind you, she's turning 8. They had a full open bar. We were having palomas. That was the first time I ever had a paloma. You guys know what that is? Let me know if you guys know what a paloma is. All I know is it for sure had squirt in it. Squirt, some kind of tequila. The rim was with tajin. It was really good. We had a grip of those. And then they had like a wild margarita. I don't know what the ingredients were for that, but that was also really tasty. Check that out, y'all. Hopefully it focused. It's still a tender bite. So bomb. I'm impressed. There's a lot of flavors. But, yeah, it was a good time. You would have thought she was turning like 21 or something. Mexicans go hard when they throw parties. You see them at Walmart with fucking like 40 cases of 36 packs. Like, someone getting married? Nah, my daughter's turning 1. That party's more for them than for anybody else, you know? But we had fun. It was nice to get out. And Sunday just pretty much recover. Sundays are meant for that though, you know? They're meant to be lazy days. Let's see what do my kids want to taste test. Alright, I have my son. He's going to try the steak. Or what do you want to try? Do you want to try all? Or...
I will try... Not all, but I'll try this and also the steak, but with no like the.
Okay, no nothing?
Sorry, Dad.
Okay.
I'm back.
Alright, they're both going to do a taste test on the steak. Okay. So each of you guys. It's kind of fattening, so I'll put it to the side. I'll cut myself also a nice little slice. Alright, so each one of you get one.
Okay.
And we're going to do a little taste test.
Liquid.
Alright, count of 3.
2.
Cheers.
The best I ever taste.
Do a steak dance. You know when food's so good it just hits you and it's just like,
Do
I gotta
dance.
dance. What do you guys think on a scale of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, I'll take that. Constructive.
Let's try the shrimp.
The shrimp? Alright.
Imagine I try the
Shrimp for
shrimp
you.
and I say a 1 out of 10.
Shrimp for you. Alright, try the shrimp.
Okay. Hold on.
Lisa, I'm still chewing.
Mmm.
Good, right?
Wait, hold on. This shrimp break the law. It's a 100
good.
out of 10.
Even the tail got some
No, I'm
flavor on it.
saying, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Alright, that's constructive. That's still high.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
8.
8? Alright, those are good numbers. Alright, say goodbye to the camera, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.
Alright.
Oh, my.
So we did some good numbers. You know, kids are honest. But yeah, I'm so glad. I was like, dude, I need to eat me some steak. I went and got it, cooked it. I was originally gonna do the potatoes, the steak, and I was gonna do like 2 clusters of snow crab legs. But at the store they didn't have any, so I was like, oh, that's a bummer. But I was like, we'll just do the traditional shrimp. How do you guys make your guys' potatoes? Because there's a handful of different ways that I make them. Sometimes I'll chop them up into little squares, you know? Throw them in the air fryer. These ways. The baked potato. I don't know, I'm a potato person. Like, I can eat that with any dish. Turn that around, see if you guys can get a good look. I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but it tastes incredible. That rosemary and thyme add like so much flavor. Mm-mm-mm. I'm stuffed. And I'm ready for bed. So interesting how food can do that to you. You'll be all up and ready to go. You have a really bomb meal and you're just kind of like, ooh, what were we doing? That's how I feel right now. These shrimps were good, dude. Look at that. Perfectly seasoned. I was also going to do a T-bone, but the one that they had at my local Stater Brothers, it looks small. And I was like, fuck it, I'll do a porterhouse. They didn't even have any. So I'm like, I'm going to my old reliable ribeye. Let's kill the rest of this Coke. It's spicy. Something about Coke in a glass too. Oh my god. But yeah, everyone that is not new here, welcome back. Appreciate you guys checking in on me again. And if you are new here, just kind of stumbled by, I encourage you guys to hit that like button, subscribe. For the most part, you know, we're on our goal to reach 1,000 subscribers, and as soon as we hit that, we'll definitely do a nice giveaway. Have a few winners for that. But yeah, subscribe if you're new here. If you already have subscribed, I appreciate you so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, peace.
Listen.